What's up, guys? So today we are going to be going over the end of the year stuff. So we are done with harvest now. We're done with all of our fall activities except cleaning, which just is getting finished up today with pressure washing the equipment. So well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and talk later. So, first of all, what I would like you guys to do is go and check out all the end of the year footage, because I didn't get a video up. We were extremely busy when it came time to the end of the year, and it was really hard to get videos up. So, but go and check out. This is really what I'm going to find for footage. I don't exactly know what I have, but go ahead and check all this out. I'll try to put it in best order as I can, and talk afterwards. What's up, guys? Jake here. So today I'm out doing some tillage. Auto steer. It's one monitor, one nav controller, and one receiver, and we'll just switch them out on the tractors because we're going to be using the auto steer for planting. So right now I'm using it for tillage. So this is awesome. Pro 700 monitor, but this is the newer chisel plow that we got last year. First goes through a set of disc blades, and then you have 5 shanks, and then it'll go through another bit, the first discs are openers, so they'll shoot it out. Then the shanks, and then you have the closing ones, so then it closes it back in, evens it out somewhat, and then you have rakes on the back for just keeping it smooth, spreading stuff out, so you have a good setup for when you come in next year, to when we come in the spring, and be good for when you till, when you field cultivate. It'll be really it'll be a lot easier on the tractor, so you ain't bouncing up and down and everything. So But we are knocking this out at an angle. It really does a nice job at an angle. Anyways, alrighty, so here I just put you guys up on the suction cup and show you guys kind of how this works here. So I have a beeper that goes, so you can hear it, that's telling me that I'm getting to the end of the field. So one little tap on the steering wheel will shut the auto steer off. So with me, a lot of the time it turns off and I don't really realize it because I wasn't really paying attention to hit the steering wheel. So, but then you either have something that you can hit up here to knock it in, or you have a button right here which you can't turn it off, but if you hold it down for like a second or two, it'll turn on. So here in Wisconsin, it was extremely wet, and this year we did not get the combine stuck. This year we've gotten pretty close to it, but as you guys can see, it's really wet out. So fortunately got all of our fall tillage in. We were actually contemplating on using the vertical till, which we actually did. We were able to use a vertical till. Does a beautiful job. We'll go over there if it doesn't snow too much tonight. We'll go over to the field that we vertical tilled in, and I'll show you what kind of job it does to stalks. And it was about a week after we combined them, so we'll go over there and look at that. Anyway, we're gonna take and get back to our regular winter, I guess, scheduling. But we will be playing FS17, which you guys will probably see it at the end of this week. So we will have FS17 videos, hopefully one of them this week, if not next week. But we will go back to the weekend vlog, and I'll try my best to get one every weekend, and that'll be our only vlog for the week. Then we'll probably have 2 or 3 Farm Simulator videos over the week, including maybe one on Mondays. So how it's gonna go is Mondays is gonna be a vlog. Wednesdays is gonna be Farming Simulator, and if we do American Truck Simulator, it will be on Friday. But if not, then it's gonna be Farm Simulator. So another thing I wanted to show you guys here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though we have a lot of bales out there. Yeah, it was a little too wet to carry the bales out of the field, because you have to go up a little hill up by the road so to get out of the field. But now we have, I don't even know how many bales. I think it's pretty close to 100. I'm not sure. But anyways, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Jake Lenz. We'll talk to y'all later.